Welcome to DigitalBix Fashions. 6 types of hoodies and sweatshirts for ladies in India. Hoodies are at the forefront of fashion trendsetting. After all, these are the pieces of clothing that you wear when you know you are sexy but are too laid back to show it. Here is a list of 6 types of funky hoodies for ladies. Number 1. Lace Up Hoodie. If you have been planning to splurge some time to apparel shopping, then do give an ardent look at this maroon lace-up hoodie, which is surely going to be your next activewear piece. Number 2. Foxwood Hoodie. The Foxwood hoodies grab the attention of the vast audience due to their super soft and cozy look and feel. Number 3. Crawford Hoodie. Can you think of better party outfits than Crawford red and white funky hoodies? Crawford hoodies add a charm to your outfit and must occupy a special portion of your wardrobe. Number 4. Cut-sleeved hoodie. Edgy and classy, this cut-sleeved hoodie can be your new office to party look. The apparel is the best multi-utility piece that you can have in your wardrobe. Number 5. Graphic hoodie. The super fascinating and funky graphics hoodies have all the characteristics that one would desire to have in their ideal winter look. Pair these hoodies with stylish blue jeans and super cool sneakers. Number 6. Color blocked hoodie. Feminine and super edgy, this olive green and mustard brown color blocked hoodie is the best pick for a casual day out. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe DigitalBix Fashions.